Okay guys, so now in this video we're gonna be adding the muzzle flash effect to our rifle, right? So that we know that the rifle is shooting. For that purpose we will be using the free asset which is available on the Unity asset store by the name of FX. This is the creator name, so go ahead and search for it and then add this to your asset and then open it up in the Unity in your Unity project. So when you open it in your Unity project, it will give you this for effects. You can download it and then click on import. Then click on import again. When it is imported, you will find it right here in the GMO assets folder. Let's drag and drop it inside the games folder. Alright. Then you can click on war effects, then effects. Alright, or you can click on effects mobile. Then the fire, and actually you can click on muzzle flash, then the four planes, and in here you will find these muzzle flashes, alright, which has a particle system right there. So you can select any muzzle flash you want. You can remove the looping from there, and then that is it. If you play it, as you can see here, it is just remove looping from that, and that is it. And also you can remove this play on awake as well. Alright, once you do that, then you can select this rifle, and inside this rifle you can drag and drop it, and then you can reset its transform so that it is right here. Okay, let's first of all rotate it like this. Okay, on 90, and we can decrease its size a little bit. Let's first of all set it right here in front of the rifle bullet hole, for example, right here. Okay, make sure that it is perfectly in front of the bullet hole of the rifle. Alright, once you do that, you can leave the effect in there. Then we now need to, right here in the weapon script, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a header by the name of effects, and in here we need a reference to the particle system. Name this as muzzle flash. Okay, then scroll down to the fire method right here, and in the fire method now we need to trigger the muzzle flash effect. So we're gonna say if the muzzle flash effect is not null, then we're gonna say that muzzle flash dot play. That is it. Now you can click on the rifle, it needs the effect, so open the rifle, and in the rifle we have this effect, so drag and drop it right there. And we are good to go. But before playing it, let me select the muzzle flash. Okay, we remove the looping and the play on awake. Also, if you click on emissions, okay, it is good. Right here in the renderer, you don't have to do anything. What we will be changing is, let me set that back to 1. Okay, if you open this effect, inside this effect we have this glow. So from the glow, remove the looping and the play on awake. Then select the light. In light we don't have anything, so select the plane, remove looping from there and play on awake. The same from the other one, remove looping from this one as well, and from the sparks as well, remove looping. Okay, and when you do that, then let's close this and play the game. Alright, now if you shoot, okay, it is still shooting non-stop. I mean, it doesn't shoot non-stop, but the muzzle flash effect, as you can see, it is really long. Okay, it plays for a really long time, so we need to make the time a little bit shorter. So stop the game again. Alright, and select this. Let's set its duration to 0.1 for example, and select the glow, change it to 0.1 as well. Select the other one as well and set it to 0.1. Okay, and then we can test it out again. Okay, now I think the timer is really low. Let's don't stop the game and select these things except the light and change it to, let's just say, zero point 0.3. Okay, 0.3 is a good value, but we need to change it to, let's just say, 0.2. Right, let's reload. Now if we shoot, okay, 0.2 is a good value, but let's make it 1 2. Okay, 1 2 is a good value for it. So just stop the game, make sure that all of these are selected except the light, and change this from 0.1 to 0.12. That is it, and your muzzle flash effect will be then playing perfectly fine. Alright, if you test it, here we are. Now if we keep shooting, it shoot, and if we single shoot, as you can see, it plays it perfectly fine. Alright, so the muzzle flash effect works perfectly fine now, and with this done, let's end this video right here.